Hello guys, I hope you're well. So today we're going through asthma, which is a very important topic. In the Gphc assessment registration framework, they put asthma as medium weighted. Now, although every year the assessment registration framework changes, I would class respiratory, such as inhalers and management of asthma and COPD, as extremely high weighted. And that's how I'll classify them. So let's start. So asthma is a chronic condition, and it's one of the chronic obstructive airways diseases. So it's a type of obstructive airways disease. And salbutamol is a solvent, so it's a short-acting beta agonist, which means that it can cause hypokalemia, reduced plasma levels. And its function is it's a reliever. You think of chronic conditions as a tire. You have construction or you have a deflated tire. You use salbutamol in asthma for relief or dilation of the bronchi. ATS spray is used in stable angina, for example, and that's used for acute attacks, which is used as sort of a reliever of symptoms of stable angina. And we'll go into that in another video. And basically, it relieves the patient's asthma symptoms such as hoarseness. And I'm referring to SARBs, so active beta agonist like Zoltar. So these two receptors are found in the lungs because there's a pair of lungs. There's two lungs. And remember the difference about asthma and the symptoms of GPC. Now, initial management. Policy management, according to the NICE guidance principle, is ICS LABA. So Frontal is the LABA, long-acting beta agonist, and ICS would be budesonide. Here's an example. So ICS is inhaled corticosteroids, and they have many side effects like hypokalemia as well, and that's something to look out for. So Frontal is licensed as a LABA for air therapy. That's because it has a short onset of action. So I think this should be onset of action, not duration of action. I need to change that. Actually, no, the duration of action is around 12 hours. I believe this is true. If the symptoms are uncontrolled with air therapy, add a load of spots. If it's not controlled with air therapy, you would process lava. Significance of spaces. Space devices need to be washed gently with warm water and detergent monthly, as well as being air dried. Do not use boiling water. It has to be warm. They should be replaced every 6 to 12 months. And beta agonists can cause hypokalemia, reduced potassium. Beta blockers can cause increased potassium. You can reduce the prevalence of oral candidiasis by four main ways, and that's first, again, sort of rinsing mouth after use, using space and using antifungal such as microbial gel or Nistatin. Numbers have a rapid onset of 5 minutes and last for maximum 4 hours. The contraindications of cautions are going to be hyperthyroidism, diabetes, arrhythmias, susceptibility to QT formation, hyperkalemia, and that's basically it, guys. Thank you.